Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate for bank wire verification at JPMorgan. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate for bank wire verification at JPMorgan, start by gathering your personal information. Ensure you have your account number readily available. Have your social security number or tax identification number on hand. Access the JPMorgan online banking portal. Log in using your username and password. Navigate to the wire transfer section of your account. Select the option for initiating a wire transfer. Review the wire transfer requirements listed on the screen. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Check your registered phone or email for the verification code. Enter the code in the required field on the portal. If prompted, answer security questions to further confirm your identity. Once authenticated, input the recipient's bank details. Double-check the account number and routing information for accuracy. Specify the amount you wish to wire and any applicable currency information. Review the transfer details carefully before proceeding. Confirm your wire transfer to complete the process. Keep a record of the transaction confirmation for future reference. If you encounter issues, contact JPMorgan customer service for additional assistance. Follow up on the wire transfer status in your account profile. Stay informed on any notifications from JPMorgan regarding your transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.